Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this quick tutorial, we will fix microphone not working problem in Realme Narzo 50i. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix microphone not working problem while calling or while recording something in Realme Narzo 50i, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings. So first of all just go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.